So yeah, this is my Facebook page. How to increase my post engagement and my post reach. That is called, we can create option called this Facebook ads. In this call, we can create ads option is called create a ads option that we're using for facebook.com/manager. In this option purpose, we can select by here engagement. In this engagement, we have the total three options: page likes, event engagement, and post engagement. So in this for we can use option is called brand awareness, or you can go for reach also. First click for reach. In this reach, you can select it for DR reach. If any split test is required for your images and anything before testing, select by this option. No need for any ads required this one. Click for continue. After continue this, you can set up your campaign. That is called, second one is called your ad group option. That is called click for continue option. First of all, set up your ad group. That is called, we can add option is called in this, select your Facebook page. Which page you want, you can optimize, you can select your page here. After selecting your page, select your exact location. And select your location is a particular only for Madhapur. And try it only for Madhapur. It will be surrounding for up to 50 miles. Surrounding for total 50 miles option. In this, select here 50 miles. Suppose you can add target by one more location. That is called Kondapur. Add your Kondapur. Next, add your Chiboli. Added by 50 miles. Targeted by the 50 miles. When targeted by location, this arrow always middle. The arrow middle is always remember on your each and every campaign. The campaign will be most important from the any Facebook campaign. When arrow will be middle, your campaign will be correct. Arrow down or up. That is called your campaign will be wrong on your option. So in this one, I'm adding for total 3 locations, and after that, add your age peoples. Up to we can add by 45 years age people. So people looking for any digital marketing, particular age will be also important. 18 years to up to 45 years. Suppose you're not adding for 45 years, select by the 40 years. When selecting your age and your location, the showing for your potential reach. How much? Will be 96 lakhs. Now change your age up to 35. It will be 86 lakhs. Will be almost done by the 10 lakhs will be people will be down. Next, target your language. English all. After target your language, the potential will be change your peoples. Based on the add your options, the potential traffic will be changed. These are the targeting audience. After that, here I'm adding for only for digital marketing candidates. So that is called here only select by the digital marketing interested candidates. Click for interested candidate. Select here and connections. Here will be 3 options. People who like your page, friends of people who like your page, exclude people who like your page. Always selecting by the new customer. Always select by the new customer. Select by in this option. After click for save this one. Location done, age done, language done, and interested people done. Click for save. Now, next. Here will be add your budget. It will be reach or impression, anything. Now clicking for impression, they coming to only for see your post. Maybe interested they will be click or not. So the impression cost will be here 4K to 14K results. Adding for daily budget how much? 200 rupees. Suppose adding for only for 40 rupees. 873 to 2.9K reach. So I can reach for 50, 1.1k to 3.6k. So just I'm adding for 50 rupees. There's a daily budget. Suppose cost control purpose, minimum bid for each action. Suppose you're adding for 0.20 paisa. See this changes. But don't using for this option. You can adding for only for your budget wise, they will charge your accept. If adding for any manual budget, it will be different cost will be charged by the, they not target the relevant customers. They target by the low budget customers. That is very important. And after that, run your ad continuously, set your start date and end date also. So right now I'm give the only for daily budget. When I add the budget, they continue your daily wise. So I'm not go for any. I will be continue when my budget will be there. My ad will be continue on my reach purpose and impression purpose. My target always impression is very important. When impression, people got your views. Here will be question: how to show my ad in the people's? Simple one. Just go to your Facebook. Suppose I'm creating a campaign where you can check my ad on my Facebook profile. They check by Facebook right corner on the Facebook feed option. In this one, just come into your scroll down. This is the one kind of ad. They see, click for learn more. Maybe they interest or not. They click for like, or they come into will be posting for in this option. So I'm creating for everything will be here by this option. Any mistake, they can't continue for next posting. Any mistake, they can't continue by your next posting. He will showing for apostrophe mark. He will be showing for apostrophe mark. When tick mark is done, is the ad is accepted. Now click for continue. So tick marks is confirmed by 4 tick mark. This is the 5th tick mark. Next one, here identity will be 2 options. One is called your multiple photos up to 20 images or 6 images. Here will be video or images. So in this one, I'm selecting for here. Here will be, I'm adding for this image, but this image will be facing one problem is called text content. Just close it. Upload image. So if you go to multiple images purpose, sometimes accept by the 6 images, sometimes up to 20 images. Only accept by the 6 image from your slide purpose. Select in this. I can post for image. So the image is accepted. Is it clear? Now come down. This ad will be showing for 18 platforms. The ad will be showing for when 18 platforms. Please look the platforms. First one, mobile news feed. Second one, desktop news feed. Third one, instant article, increase like purpose. Fourth one, Facebook instant video is not a video. They can't show. There will be 15 seconds. It will be no. In your desktop will not. Video is not no. Next one, mobile marketing place means your Facebook right side corner. Facebook right side corner. That is called marketing place. Next one, Facebook stories means on your story option. Next one, Instagram feed. Why? Because the page integrated by your Instagram using for setting option. Go to setting. The ads will be showing for Facebook and Instagram. That option is called Facebook page integrated with your Instagram option. Without integrate from Instagram option, they can't show your ads. Next one, this purpose for Instagram purpose can set up your account. Each page only include only for Instagram account. One Instagram account integrated only for one Facebook page only. So add here Instagram feed, Instagram stories, IR network stations, Medium. These are the platforms. Network were not visible in this like this. So here network medium, and here is the video we can't show, and here will be message inbox. Out of 18, 5 will be not enabled, remain all will be enabled. Email was selected. Next, add your website. Go to site. Website URL purpose of learn more purpose. The people come into your site, that is called website, Facebook to website. There's a very mandate from generating for website traffic and increase your reach. Copy the URL. Paste it. System market training. Project. Internship. Interview plus. Placements. This is your message on your users for your action purpose. So in this one done, you have to display by your description. Headline. This one. Here, button will be called click for learn more. The ad will be showing for user will be like this. That is called two advantages. Impression will be increased, reach will be increased, page likes, website traffic. In a one ad, we have the four advantages: page likes, page impression, and your getting business call and your website traffic. Check this option. Now click for confirm. The ad will be confirmed just 1 hour time. Once ad you confirmed, that is called Facebook business. Just you confirm your adding in your draft. Here will be question: how to add my payment? The payment will be adding on your Facebook manager will be 4 process: credit card, debit card, net banking. You can using for Paytm wallet. So that is purpose of just select here billing process. After creating ad also, you can add your billing payment. Before creating ad also, add your billing payment. The main reason is called without adding billing payment, they're not going to your ads. So payment settings. This is most important for is called any create ads once successful approved. If you go to increase your reach, that only based on your ad amount. Select your ad amount. We have total option called is Pro: credit card, debit card, net bank card, Paytm wallet. The fourth one will using 4 options. Fifth one is called Facebook coupons. That is a rare. So add your Paytm wallet, everything will be here. Select it. Now click for continue, add your payment. So previous my account will be 7 rupees, 37 paisa. I'm adding amount will be 100 rupees. Wait for a second. So payment ad will be like this for 100 rupees. Previous we have the 6 rupees, now will be 100 rupees. So any ads will be showing for ads manager for enable and disable your reach purpose. Increasing for more reach is only editable by edit your placements. That is called you can direct by your ads will be here. That is called post reach and post engagement will be given by in this call. This is under review. Once review will be done, will be active for within a 1 hour time, and that will be engagement will start on your post based on your post option. So this is called create your campaigns on your post engagement and reach purpose. Is loading your page. Once loading, they're showing for under approve or review on your process.